Hi, Morgan here for Onefinity, and today I wanted to let you guys know about the Infinite Possibilities program. The heck is that? The Infinite Possibilities program is essentially a trade-in program, giving Onefinity users the option to upgrade individual parts on their CNC as new models are released. And this is one of the major advantages of how Onefinity machines are designed. When you boil it down, there's basically 5 main components: one X rail, 2 Y rails, a controller, and a touchscreen. The Infinite Possibilities program allows Onefinity users to upgrade from a Woodworker to a Journeyman just by swapping out the X rail. Think about that. Just 8 bolts and you go from a 32 by 32 cutting area to a 48 by 32 cutting area without having to replace your whole CNC, which is game changing. And, by the way, unique to Onefinity. So if you decide to upgrade, here's what you do. Just go to onefinitycnc.com/upgradesinfo. Click on the button that says sign up for the Infinite Possibilities program and fill out the short form. Once submitted, we'll email you a link to a private product page where you can order the upgrade package you want at a discounted rate. When your new rail arrives, stick the old one in that same box and ship it on back to us. And you might be asking yourself, why the heck would they want my old rail back? Well, here's the cool part. When your old rail makes its way back to us, our team will take it apart, clean it, test it, and add it to our inventory of refurbished machines, which are designated for donations to schools, makerspaces, and veterans. So if you know a school or makerspace or veteran that would benefit from this program, the last field on the form you filled out is where you can nominate a recipient. See? Everyone wins. So if you've been thinking about getting a bigger CNC but can't justify the cost of a whole new machine, this program's for you. All right, that's it for me. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see y'all on the next one. Y'all be good.